The 2010 Dodge Ram 1500 ST. This is a quad cab pickup truck, powered by a 3.7-liter V6 engine with a 4-speed automatic transmission with overdrive. This vehicle, with fewer than 15,000 miles on the odometer, gets up to 20 miles per gallon. This Dodge features custom bumper, bed liner, and tilt wheel. Safety features include dual front airbags and 4-wheel ABS. Comfort and convenience features include power windows, power steering, and power door locks. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.
Just say, "Show me the Carfax."